Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss how is the universe formed. The universe is a vast, mostly empty space and more than 15 billion years old. Within it, at least 100 billion galaxies and an even larger number of stars. One of those galaxies is the Milky Way. And one of the stars in the Milky Way is our sun. Like all stars, the sun is a giant ball of gas and that gives out heat and light. The sun, together with other planets, asteroids, comets, and meteors in orbit around it, make up the solar system. Question number 1. How was the universe formed? The universe was born more than 15 billion years ago. It, it is believed that the universe began as a small ball of fire. This fireball grew larger and larger until one day it exploded to form the universe that we know. Question number 2. How big is the universe? No one knows how big the universe really is. There are at least 100 billion galaxies that we know of. However, these numbers keep growing as better telescopes are developed and we see more and more galaxies on top of that. The, ga- the galaxies are moving away from each other, causing the universe to expand. Some scientists believe that the universe will never stop expanding, while others think that one day it will become shrink until it becomes fireball again. How did the Milky Way get its name? In ancient Greek and Roman myths, it was believed that the goddess Hera or Juno split milk across the sky and called white streak. It left a river of milk. The Romans called it Via Lactea or a road made of milk. This is how our galaxy came to be named the Milky Way. The galactic Sometimes the galaxy crash into one another due to force of gravity, but the stars in them are too far apart to cause any real damage. Our own galaxy is a collision course with its neighbor Andromeda. The collision will take place in about 5 billion years and two will merge to form a elliptical or oval galaxy.